Okay, this is seventh sum. Listen, seventh one. AB and CD are respectively arcs. Here AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 centimeters, 7 centimeters. So this is 21 centimeters. OB. OB is 21 centimeters and OC is 7 centimeters with center O. If angle AOB, this is 30 degrees. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, how to find the area of this shaded region? Here two sectors are there. This is OAB and OCD are two sectors. How to get the area of shaded region? The area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. These two are sectors. Then we get area of shaded region. Okay. First of all, you have to write what are the given. Given radii of two concentric circles are OB is equal to 21 centimeters, OC is equal to 7 centimeters. Okay. Then how to find area of shaded region? Area of the shaded region is equal to, so area of the sector OAB minus area of the sector OCD. Area of the sector OCD. Area of a sector OAB minus area of a sector OCD. Then we get area of this shaded region. So here area of the sector OAB, x by 360 degrees into pi r1 square. R1 mean OB minus x by 360 degrees into pi into r2 square. This is r1, this is r2. Okay, radius 1, beggar radius OB. Okay, so x is nothing but angle. Angle is also given. Angle AOB also given 30 degrees. So 30 degrees by 360 into 22 by 7 into R1. R1 means 21 into 21 minus 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into R2. This is 7. 7 into 7. Okay. Now simplify this one. 30, 0, 0 cancel. 3 1s are, 3 12s are. Next here also 30 1s are, 30 12s are. Okay. 7 3s are, 2 6, 2 11s. Here 3 1s, 3 2s. Here 7 1s are 7, 2 6, 2 11s. That is. Okay. The remaining is 11 into 21 by 2 minus here 11 into 7. 11 into 7 by 6. Okay. First you have to multiply 11 into 21. 11 1s are 11. 11 2s are 22 plus 1 23. That is 231 by 2 minus 11 7s are 77. 77 by 6. Cancel these two first. 2 ones are 2, again 2 ones are 2, 1 is the remainder, 2 5s 10, have to take decimal point, 2 5s are 10, 115.5. Here 6 ones, here 6 ones are 6, 1 is left, 17, 6 2s are 12, 17 minus 12, 17 minus 12 is 5, take 0, 50, okay. 6 8s are 48, 2 is remainder, again take 0, 2 6 3, that is enough, 12.83, okay. So the answer is 115.5 minus 12.83. Now I have to subtract these two, 115.5 0 and 12.83. Subtract these two, 0 minus 3 not possible, 10 minus 3 is 7, here 4 is left, that's mean 14 minus 8 is 6, here 4 minus 2 is 2, 0, 1, okay, that is 102.67 centimeters square. This is area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is equal to 102.67 centimeters square. Okay, now I am going to next sum. Okay, this is 8th sum. This is last sum of exercise 9.3. Listen carefully. Calculate the area of the designed region in the figure common between the two quadrants of a circle of radius 10 centimeters each. Use pi is equal 3.14. Here two quadrants are there. This is one quadrant. This is another quadrant. Okay. So the designed, you have to find the area of designed region. How to find the area of designed region? Observe this one. First of all, you have to draw BD, join BD, then the figure is divided into two triangles, two right angle triangles. Okay, and also BD divides the shaded region in two parts. This is one part, this is second part. Okay, this is first part, this is second part. Okay, so BD divides the designed region to equal parts, that is this is first part, this is second part. Okay, so now we have to find this area of shaded designed region. First of all, we have to write what are the given. The given radius of a circle, that's mean quadrant, is equal to 10 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters. This is also 10 centimeters. Okay. So BD divides the shaded designed region two parts. Okay. BD is divides the designed region two equal parts. Equal parts has 1 and 2. Okay. First of all, you have to find area of first part. Area of first part. Area of first part is equal to, how to get the area of first part? Observe this one. Area of sector ABD minus area of triangle ABD. This is area of triangle ABD. This is area of sector ABD. Okay. So area of a sector ABD minus area of a triangle ABD, then we get area of first part. Okay. So area of the sector ABD minus area of triangle ABD. This is triangle ABD, this is sector ABD. So area of a sector x by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of triangle ABD. This is 90 degrees. So this is right angle triangle of BH. That's mean x by 360 degrees into pi r square minus of base into height. Base is, this is base AB. Height is AD. Okay. So x is nothing but angle. Angle of this quadrant is 90 degrees. So 90 by 360 into the phi value 3.14. Radius is nothing but, radius is also 10 centimeters into 10 centimeters minus of AB. AB is 10 centimeters, AD also 10 centimeters. Cancel this one. 90 ones are 94s, 2 2s are 2 5s, 2 1s are 2 5s, here 2 5s. Okay, what are the remaining? So 3.14 into 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 minus 10 5s are 50. Okay, now have to multiply 3.14 into 25. 25 4s are 100, 0, 10, 25 1s are 25 plus 10, 35, 5, 3, 25 3s are 75 plus 3, 78. That is 78.50 minus 50. Okay. So now we have to subtract these two. 78.50, 50.00. Okay. 0, 5, 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 5 is 2. That is 28.50 centimeter square. This is area of first part. Okay. These two are equal parts. Then similarly area of second part is also 28.50 centimeter square. Then you have to find area of total design region. Okay. So area of the design region is equal to area of first part plus area of second part. Area of first part plus area of second part. Okay. Area of first part is 28.50 plus 28.50. Second part is also. So 28.50, 28.50, 0, 10, 1, 16, 7, 1, 5. That is 57 centimeter square. Okay. So this is area of total design region. Okay. Area of total design region is equal to 57 centimeter square. So this is most important sum regarding 10th class public exam. Okay.